Number 1. Which answer choice accurately characterizes Donovan's reaction to the death of Victoria Martins? A. He was inspired to make artisanal soaps to raise money to help other people in situations like Victoria's. B. He donated money from his film and TV appearances to help other families struggling with homelessness. C. He imagined how terrifying abuse could be and used social media to encourage victims to find the courage to ask for help. Or D. He chose to name his business Toil and Trouble in honor of abuse victims and continued raising money for charities. Number 2. Prior to moving to Albuquerque, New Mexico, in which state did Donovan and his mother live? Number 3. The author explains that Donovan and his mother moved out of the homeless shelter and into special housing for veterans. What is the most likely reason the author included this information? A. To illustrate that Donovan was still thinking about others who needed support 3 years after his own challenges with homelessness. B. To demonstrate that Donovan's determination and hard work paid off when he was able to help his mother afford a new home. C. To prove that Donovan's mother's service in the Navy gave her added opportunities for success after her injury. Or D. To explain why Donovan was so concerned the effects of abuse, since he had witnessed similar cases. I should say of. Number 4. Which of the following selections from the article most suggests that Donovan is concerned about other people's feelings? A. Donovan Smith knows what it's like to be in need. He lived in a New Mexico homeless shelter after his single mother lost her job and their apartment. B. He's always been wiser and smarter. His mother, Casey Phillips Smith, told the Washington Post, "He's always been like this since he was little." C. Every week, his mother said, he was up at 4 a.m. on Sunday, packing his wagon with all of his soaps. The business has since evolved into an online shop in Etsy where Donovan has made hundreds of sales. Or D. And the recent death of 10-year-old Victoria Martins, an Albuquerque girl who was killed, inspired Donovan to use his social media platforms to raise awareness about child abuse. Number 5. According to the article, now that Donovan's soap shop is temporarily closed, what might be Donovan's next big project?